Do you want to know how you can access your help and support on your OnlyFans account? Then this video is the right one for you. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here on another video to show you guys on how you can access help and support if you have any troubles with your OnlyFans account. To do so, first of all, go onto Google Chrome browser or any browser that you use and then go on to onlyfans.com and log into your OnlyFans account. After that, you'll be on the home page of OnlyFans, where now you need to go on to more and you can see an option for help and support. Click on help and support and it will take you to a different page where now the community guidelines will be there to help you with any kind of troubles that you are having with your account. You can ask any general questions about your account to any kind of question that you are having or facing the trouble in, and this community guidelines will be there to help you. This much for this video, and that's how you can access or get help and support on your OnlyFans account. If you found our video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.